We are gonna dive deeper into each topic later in the course, but for now, let's create a simple but interesting app. We already have some pre-built widgets here, like this material app, within which we have a scaffold widget. Widgets are basically blocks of code with a specific function that can be joined like Legos to give desired results. Focus on the tree and on the widgets we're adding at the same time. The page still looks so empty. How about we put an app bar that is nothing but another pre-built widget in Flutter? So inside the scaffold property, we added an app bar. Now we need a different color for the app bar. How about we change it to a purple accent? I love the color. As soon as we reload it, you can see the app bar being rendered on the screen with perfection. Now we have a lot of pre-built widgets we can explore. For example, let's say I want to add a floating action button. So we create a button, and now we specify the icons. Let's put an add icon. The color can be purple. Just like this, brick by brick or widget by widget, we add the pieces together and create our app. And as you can see, the tree and the code look really similar. And it's really easy to understand how it works. You just join them like Legos. Let's add some text now. Let's name the application Coffee App. Sounds great, right? Let's say I want to add some functionality now. I work for many hours a day and have many cups of coffee. Therefore, I want to count the number of cups I have had in a day. As soon as I press this button, the counter should increase. Now, let's create a variable that will store the ever-increasing value. In the body property, let's show the counter value. It would be better if the text was in the center, so let's wrap it with a center widget, which is gonna put the text to the center. And on pressing the button, the value for the counter will increase accordingly. So it's gonna change the state of the variable. Let's save it and see what happens. And it increases. Now let's say I want to reset the counter. For that, I need another button, which I can create in the action property of the app bar. Put the icon size, and let's change the color to white. In the onPressed part, let's set the state of the counter to 0. Let's save it, and it resets the counter. Let's run it for the web now. And you can see you have created a web app with the same code. Just like that, Flutter helps us to build an incredible interface for the applications and also helps us to customize the widgets according to our requirements very fast. Now you can deploy the app to all different platforms.